For years, we've been told that eggs are the gold standard for protein. But what if I told you that's no longer true? What if there are other foods that give you even more protein than eggs, and are actually easier on your digestion, better for your muscles, and help fight the muscle loss that sneaks up on all of us after 60? We're going to talk about 10 real foods that give you more protein than eggs, and not just by a little, but by a lot. One of them even has 5 times more protein and is being studied to help stroke patients regain lost strength. You won't believe what's at the top of this list, because it's something almost nobody talks about, yet it could change how you feel every day. Before we start, I'd love to know, where are you watching from today? Just drop your state or city in the comments below. And if you have any natural health tips of your own, feel free to share those too. Someone else might really benefit from hearing what's worked for you. 1. Greek yogurt. Let's start with something simple but powerful, plain, non-fat Greek yogurt. You've probably seen it in the dairy aisle 100 times without thinking much of it. But here's what most people don't realize: Greek yogurt has more protein per 100 grams than a boiled egg. While an egg gives you about 6.3 grams of protein, Greek yogurt gives you over 10 grams. That's nearly double. And for older adults, this matters more than ever. After 60, your body doesn't build muscle the way it used to. It breaks down muscle faster, and without enough protein, your strength and balance can slowly fade. What makes Greek yogurt special is how it's made. It's strained multiple times, which removes the liquid and leaves behind a thick, creamy texture full of high-quality protein. It's also low in lactose, so it's easier on the stomach, great news for seniors who often deal with digestion issues. Even better, a 2020 study found that older adults who added at least 20 grams of dairy-based protein to their diet every day had significantly better muscle strength after just 12 weeks. And that was just from real food, not powders or supplements. Greek yogurt also works great for people who have trouble chewing, because it's soft and smooth. You can mix it with fresh fruit, a spoon of ground flaxseed, or even use it in smoothies and salad dressings. Just make sure to choose the plain, unsweetened kind. The ones with added sugar cancel out the benefits. So if you're looking for a protein-rich food that's easy to eat, easy to digest, and proven to help maintain muscle after 60, Greek yogurt is a smart place to begin. It may be basic, but don't underestimate it. Sometimes, the quietest foods are the strongest helpers. 2. Chickpeas. You might know them as the main ingredient in hummus or see them tossed into salads. But these little legumes are far more powerful than they look. Per 100 grams of cooked chickpeas, you get about 11.5 grams of protein. That's more than an egg. And that's just the beginning. What makes chickpeas extra special for seniors isn't just the protein, it's the fiber and minerals they bring with it. As we get older, digestion tends to slow down, blood sugar becomes harder to manage, and silent inflammation starts affecting our joints and muscles. Chickpeas help with all three. The fiber in chickpeas supports regular digestion, helps control blood sugar, and reduces inflammation that can quietly eat away at your strength. There's also something called magnesium in chickpeas, and it plays a major role in muscle function. If your magnesium levels are low, your body can't use protein efficiently, even if you're eating enough of it. That's why chickpeas are a double win. They not only give you the protein to maintain muscle, but also the tools your body needs to make that protein count. Studies show that older adults who replaced part of their meat intake with plant proteins like chickpeas had a 26% lower rate of muscle loss. That's a huge difference, and it didn't come from anything fancy. Just regular, affordable foods like this. To get the best out of chickpeas, soak them overnight before cooking. This makes them easier to digest and boosts their nutrient absorption. You can mash them into hummus, roast them for a crunchy snack, or stir them into stews. However you eat them, know this: every bite is quietly working to keep your body stronger and more stable. Chickpeas aren't just for vegetarians, they're for anyone who wants to age with strength. 3. Quinoa. First, quinoa isn't just a carbohydrate, it's a complete protein. That means it contains all 9 essential amino acids your body needs to build and repair muscle. Most plant foods don't have that. Cooked quinoa gives you about 14 grams of protein per 100 grams, which is more than double what you get from a boiled egg. And for seniors, that extra protein can make a real difference. What really sets quinoa apart is its high content of lysine. Lysine helps your body repair muscles, produce collagen, and absorb calcium, 3 things that are very important as we age. A recent study showed that older adults who swapped white rice for quinoa experienced a 9% increase in leg strength in just 8 weeks. That's a big improvement from such a small change. Quinoa is also naturally gluten-free, easy to digest, and light on the stomach. If you want to get even more from it, soak it overnight before cooking. This helps remove certain natural compounds that block nutrient absorption. You can also cook quinoa in low-sodium vegetable broth or bone broth to add more flavor and minerals. It's incredibly versatile. Use it in place of rice, add it to stir-fries, mix it with vegetables, or even eat it as a breakfast bowl with berries and nuts. It fills you up without weighing you down. 4. Pumpkin seeds. These little green seeds might not look like much, but don't let their size fool you. They're one of the most protein-rich foods you can keep in your kitchen. Just 100 grams of pumpkin seeds give you about 19 grams of protein. That's 3 times more than what you get from a boiled egg. But it's not just the protein that makes them important. Pumpkin seeds are also packed with minerals your body desperately needs as you age, especially magnesium, iron, and zinc. Magnesium helps your muscles contract and relax properly. Iron delivers oxygen to your muscles, keeping them working better. And zinc supports tissue repair and helps your body build new muscle. These nutrients become harder for your body to absorb after 60, so getting them from food is essential. On top of all that, pumpkin seeds also help fight inflammation. Inflammation is one of the sneakiest reasons seniors lose muscle. It happens slowly, quietly, and often without any pain until weakness sets in. But studies show that eating pumpkin seeds daily can reduce muscle inflammation by up to 38% in just 12 weeks. That's a big deal. The best way to eat pumpkin seeds? Raw and unsalted. That way, you avoid extra sodium and keep all the good nutrients intact. You can sprinkle them on your Greek yogurt or oatmeal, toss them into salads, or blend them into smoothies. Some people even make pumpkin seed butter, which is delicious and easy to spread on toast or fruit. Just a small handful each day can give your muscles the extra support they need. 5. Tempeh. It's a food made from fermented soybeans, and it's quietly becoming a favorite among people looking to stay strong as they age. Why? Because tempeh delivers around 20 grams of protein per 100 grams, easily beating out eggs. But that's just the start. What makes tempeh stand out is how easy it is to digest, especially for older adults. As we age, our digestion slows down. That means even if we're eating good foods, our bodies don't always absorb the nutrients the way they used to. Tempeh is naturally fermented, which breaks down the soybeans and makes the nutrients easier for your body to take in. So, not only do you get more protein, you actually use more of it. Tempeh is also a complete protein, meaning it has all the essential amino acids, including leucine, which is especially important for muscle repair and growth. Studies have shown that older adults with higher leucine intake maintain more lean muscle and recover faster from physical stress. On top of that, tempeh contains probiotics, which support your gut health, and that's directly tied to how well your body processes protein and fights inflammation. It's also low in fat, contains no cholesterol, and is very filling. To enjoy it, you can slice it thin and pan-fry it with a little olive oil and garlic, crumble it into stews, or add it to salads and wraps. It soaks up flavors well, so you can season it however you like. Give it a try, even just a few times a week, and you may notice a real difference in how your body feels. 6. Spirulina. It's a deep green powder made from algae, and even though it looks unusual, it's one of the most powerful protein sources out there. Spirulina gives you around 29 grams of protein per 100 grams, more than double what eggs offer. But it's not just the amount, it's the quality that matters. What makes spirulina special for seniors is how easily your body absorbs its protein. It has about 85% bioavailability, which means your muscles can quickly use it to repair and grow. That's especially important after 60 when muscle recovery slows down and even small injuries take longer to heal. Spirulina is also a complete protein, loaded with leucine, the amino acid that tells your body to start building muscle. But that's not all. Spirulina is packed with antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds that help protect your muscles from breaking down over time. A study from 2022 showed that spirulina reduced markers of inflammation by 32% in older adults, without any medication involved. It also helps improve blood flow to the muscles by increasing nitric oxide, which is key for strength and recovery. And here's the best part, it's easy to use. You don't have to cook it or chew it. Just add a teaspoon to a smoothie with banana, spinach, or walnuts. That's all it takes. You can start seeing results within a few weeks, especially if you include it as part of a balanced meal plan. For older adults who want something simple, clean, and effective to support muscle health, spirulina is worth considering. It's shelf-stable, low in calories, and doesn't take up space in your fridge. 7. Hemp seeds. You might have seen them sprinkled on fancy salads or in health food stores, but they're more than just a trend. For older adults, hemp seeds are a quiet powerhouse. Just 100 grams of hemp seeds provide about 35 grams of protein, almost triple what eggs give you. And here's the real benefit for seniors: hemp seeds are a complete protein, meaning they contain all 9 essential amino acids your body needs to maintain and repair muscle. But they're also very easy to digest, which is a huge plus after 60, when our digestion becomes more sensitive. No gas, no bloating, just clean, usable protein your body can absorb and put to work. But hemp seeds don't stop at protein. They're also full of omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids, especially GLA, gamma-linolenic acid. This helps reduce joint inflammation, ease stiffness, and even support brain function and heart health. One 2021 review found that older adults who regularly ate complete plant proteins, like hemp, had better muscle retention and energy levels compared to those who didn't. And don't worry, you're not going to get high from hemp seeds. They come from a different variety of the plant and are 100% safe and legal. You can sprinkle them on oatmeal, blend them into smoothies, or mix them into yogurt. Just don't cook them on high heat, as that can damage the healthy oils inside. A few spoonfuls a day are all you need. They're nutty, mild in flavor, and work well with almost anything. 8. Seitan. Don't let the name scare you off. It's made from wheat protein, and it's often called wheat meat because of its texture. For seniors looking to get more protein without eating a lot of meat, seitan is a goldmine. It gives you around 39 grams of protein per 100 grams, far more than eggs, chicken, or even some types of steak. What's especially helpful about seitan is how pure it is. It's almost all protein, with very little fat or carbs. And because it's made by washing wheat flour to remove the starch, what's left is something your body can absorb easily. That's a big deal after 60, when digestion slows down and many seniors can't break down meat as well as they used to. Seitan is also low in calories, cholesterol-free, and very filling, so it helps with weight control while still giving your muscles what they need. A 2022 study showed that older adults who added plant-based protein isolates like seitan to their diet kept 21% more lean muscle mass than those on mixed diets. That's a huge win without lifting a single weight. And don't worry about taste, seitan soaks up flavors beautifully. You can slice it and pan-fry it, grill it like steak, roast it, or season it however you'd season meat. Just make sure to eat it with vegetables rich in vitamin C like bell peppers or broccoli. That helps your body absorb the iron found in seitan better. It's not something you'll find in every kitchen, but for seniors open to trying something new, seitan is an excellent tool to rebuild muscle, improve nutrition, and stay energized. It's satisfying, high protein, and gives your body a break from heavy meat without giving up the protein benefits. 9. Parmesan cheese. You've probably sprinkled it over pasta or salad, but did you know it's one of the most protein-rich dairy foods you can eat? Per 100 grams, Parmesan provides around 42 grams of protein, which is more than eggs, chicken, and even some protein shakes. And because it's aged, your body absorbs it more easily, something very important after 60. As we age, our stomach produces fewer digestive enzymes, which means it becomes harder to break down food. But Parmesan is aged for 12 to 36 months. During that time, the proteins start breaking down into smaller, more digestible pieces called free amino acids. That makes it much easier for older adults to process, even if they usually have trouble with dairy. Parmesan is especially high in leucine, one of the most important amino acids for muscle repair and growth. In fact, just 30 grams of Parmesan cheese is enough to trigger muscle-building signals in your body. A 2019 study even showed that aged cheeses like Parmesan are digested 30% more efficiently in older adults than meat proteins. That means your body actually uses more of the protein you eat. And here's the best part, it tastes good. It can add flavor to your meals without needing sauces or extra salt. You can sprinkle it over steamed vegetables, mix it into whole grains like quinoa, or stir it into scrambled eggs or omelets. A little goes a long way, and it doesn't take much to get the benefits. 10. Dried fish powder. It might not sound exciting, but it's quietly one of the most powerful muscle-building foods available today. With a stunning 63 grams of protein per 100 grams, it offers nearly 5 times the protein of eggs. And this isn't just theory, real studies have shown it can help seniors rebuild muscle even without changing their exercise routine. Dried fish powder is made from lean white fish, like cod or pollock, that's been gently dehydrated and ground into a fine powder. What you're left with is almost pure protein, packed with all the essential amino acids, especially leucine, which helps your body start repairing and growing muscle. And because the fish is broken down into powder form, it's easy to digest and absorbs quickly, making it ideal for older adults with sensitive digestion or difficulty chewing tougher meats. One clinical trial in 2020 found that seniors who added dried fish powder to their daily meals saw a 19% increase in lean muscle mass in just 10 weeks, without any new exercise added. That's the kind of result usually promised by supplements, but this came from real food. It's also incredibly easy to use. You don't need to eat it by the spoonful or swallow pills. Just mix a small amount into soups, stews, mashed vegetables, or even savory oatmeal. It blends in quietly and doesn't change the texture of your food. And since it's shelf-stable, you can store it for months without worrying about spoilage. So now you've seen it, 10 powerful foods that all give you more protein than eggs, and each one is backed by real science, not just trends or marketing. What they all have in common is simple, they're natural, easy to use, and work with your body, not against it. And if you're over 60, that matters more than ever. So here's what I'd like you to do next. Pick just 2 or 3 foods from this list and add them to your meals this week. See how you feel. Notice your energy, your strength, and how you move. These changes won't take years, they'll start working in weeks if you stay consistent. And before you go, tell me in the comments, which of these foods surprised you the most? And which one are you going to try first? I read every comment and reply as much as I can. We're building strength together, and I'm right here with you. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this helpful, and subscribe for more tips on staying strong, energized, and independent at any age. I'll see you in the next one.